everyone, I'm Teacher Al. Welcome to my channel. Today we're going to study how to compute the interior angles of a polygon about the sum. Okay, this is for grade 7. Okay, number 1, find the sum of the measures of the interior angles of the triangle. So remember, triangle is a polygon with 3 sides. So our formula to use is sum is equals to n minus 2 times 180. So since the triangle 3 sides, so we are going to substitute to n, becomes 3 minus 2 times 180. 3 minus 2 equals 1 times 180. So the sum of the interior angles of a polygon, which is triangle, is 180 degrees. Okay, the second problem, find the sum of the measures of the interior angles of a quadrilateral. So when we see quadrilateral, it is per side. So our solution to find the sum of the interior angles, we have s equals to n minus 2 times 180. And we're going to substitute for n, becomes 4 because quadrilateral is per sides, minus 2 times 180. Then 4 minus 2 equals 2 times 180. So the sum of the interior angles of a quadrilateral is 360 degrees. Okay, next problem, number 3. Find the sum of the interior angles of the octagon. So octagon means 30 is the sides of the polygon. Solution, we have the sum equals n minus 2 times 180. And since the sides of a polygon is given, 30, we're going to substitute it from n. Then 30 minus 2 times 180. Then 30 minus 2 equals 28 times 180. So we have the sum of 5,040 degrees, the octagon. Okay, next, number 4 problem. Find the sum of the interior angles of a 15gon. So, meaning to say we have 15 sides of the polygon. So, solution, we have the sum equals to n minus 2 times 180. Then, since n is the sides of the polygon, so we're going to substitute, becomes 15 minus 2 times 180. Then 13 times 180 equals 2,340 degrees is the sum of the 15gon. Next problem, number 5. Find the sum of the interior angles of a 100gon. So meaning to say the sides of the polygon is 100. So since we're going to find the sum of the polygon, we're going to use the formula s equals n minus 2 times 180. Then n stands for the sides of a polygon. We are going to substitute now. 100 minus 2 equals 180. Then 100 minus 2 equals 98 times 180. The sum now is 17,640 degrees. Okay, next, number 6 problem. Find the interior angles of an octagon. So remember, octagon, we have 8 sides. So to find the sum of their angles, so we are going to use the same formula, s equals n minus 2 number one problem. In a local election, Romel Alvarez received 3,500 votes more than his opponent, Ricky Lee. If 14,600 votes were cast in all, how many votes did each candidate receive? So we have to analyze first the problem. So Romel Alvarez received more than to his opponent. The more than is 3,500. So our solution, we're going to use a representation. Let X be the number of votes received by Lee, and for the number of votes received by Alvarez, our equation is representation rather is X plus 3,500. X plus 3,500 because Romel Alvarez received more than 3,500. Next, we're going to make an equation. Our equation, since from the word, we're going to divide it, this 14,600 cast in all. So we're going to add x plus 3,500 equals 14,600. And then that's our equation. Then we're going to solve the equation. X plus 3,500 equals 14,600. Then we're going to combine like terms. X plus x equals 2x, then plus 3,500 equals 14,600. Then we're going to transpose the 3,500 to the right side of the equation. From positive becomes negative. Then the left side, the remaining is 2x. Then 14,600 minus 3,500, we have 11,100. So the equation is 2x equals 11,100. Then since we're solving for x, so we are going to divide it by 2, both sides. So 2x divided by 2 equals x, 11,100 divided by 2 equals 5,550. So for Ricky Lee, since Ricky Lee is the x, received 5,550 votes. Okay, next number 2 problem, about number problem in grade 7. Find two consecutive integers whose sum is 55. When we say integers, it is positive and negative and zero numbers. And we say consecutive, like for example 9, what is next to 9 is 10, what is next to 10 is 11, what is next to 11 is 12. So 9, 10, 11, 12 is called consecutive numbers. Okay, our solution, we have of course to prepare a representation. Let x be the first integer, the first executive integers, and x plus 1 be the second executive integers. So the equation now, since sum, we're going to add the first executive integers and the second integers. So our first consecutive integers is x plus the second integers, we have x plus 1 equals 55. Then next, we're going to solve the equation. X plus 1 equals 55. Then combine like terms. X plus x equals 2x plus 1 equals 55. Then we're going to transpose the positive 1 to the right side of the equation. Becomes negative 1. And to the left side equals 2x. Then 55 minus 1 equals 54. And the left side we have 2x. Then since we're going to solve for x, so we're going to divide both sides by 2. 2x divided by 2 equals x. 54 divided by 2 equals 27. Then next we're going to find the second consecutive integers. X plus 1 equals, so the value now of x is 27, plus 1 equals 28. So the complete answer, the two consecutive integers are 27 and 28. So to check, x plus 1 equals 55, 27 plus 27 plus 1 equals 55, 27 plus 27 equals 54 plus 1 equals 55, and 54 plus 1 equals 55 equals 55. Since the result is a true equation, so therefore our answer is correct. Okay, the next problem is number 3. Find the 3 consecutive integers whose sum is 300. So our solution, we have to start first with the representation. Let x be the first consecutive integer. Then x plus 1 be the second consecutive integers. And x plus 2 be the third consecutive integers. Then we have to make an equation. So since we encounter the word sum, so we're going to add the first, second, and third integers. So x plus 1 plus x plus 2 equals, the given is 300, so equals 300. To solve the equation, we have x plus 1 plus x plus 2 equals 300. So we're going to combine like terms. So x plus x equals 3x. 1 plus 2 equals plus 3 equals 300. Then 3x equals 300. Then we're going to transpose positive 3 to the right side of the equation, becomes negative 3. Then we're going to simplify. 300 minus 3 equals 297. Just copy 3x. And since we're solving for the x, so we're going to divide both sides of the equation by 3. So 3x divided by 3 equals x, and 297 divided by 3 equals 99. So the first consecutive integer is 99. So next, solve for the second consecutive integers. X plus 1 equals 99, plus 1 equals 100. So 100 is the second consecutive integers. The next, solve for third consecutive integers. X plus 2 equals 99, plus 2 equals 100. Now the complete answer, the 3 consecutive integers are 99, 100, and 101.